I get angry at all on my honesty. You know I try, but I don't do too well with apologies. I hope I don't run out of time, cause someone call a referee. Cause I just need one more shot at forgiveness. I know you know that I made this mistake maybe once or twice. Like once or twice, I mean maybe a couple of 100 times. So let me redeem myself tonight. Cause I just need one more shot at second chances. Is it too late now to say sorry? Cause I'm missing more than just your body. Is it too late now to say sorry? Yeah, I know that I'll let you down. Is it too late to say I'm sorry now? I'm sorry, yeah. Your body. I'm sorry, yeah, I know that I'll let you down. Is it too late to say I'm sorry now? I take every single piece of the blame if you want me to. But you know that there is no innocent one in this game for you. I go, and then you go, and let's spill the truth. Can we both say the words, say forgiveness? Is it too late now to say sorry? Cause I'm missing more than just your body. Is it too late now to say sorry? Yeah, I know that I'll let you down. Is it too late to say I'm sorry now? And I'll just try to get you back on me. Cause I'm missing more than just your body. Is it too late now to say sorry? Yeah, I know that I'll let you down. Is it too late